Hi guys, I would like to show you today how you can check and verify the changes to the Q constitution that come along with the Athos hard fork. First of all, you need to get the current constitution, and you can download it at yourhq.q.org on the dashboard on this section here. So that's the current constitution hash, and you can download it here. The next thing is we need to know what the new constitution hash and the file is all about. So let's head to Q proposals, where you can find the fundamental constitution proposal. And this on-chain proposal tells us how the current constitution hash looks like and how the new constitution hash should look like. That's the second one here. And the external reference, which gives a deep link into our GitLab repository, leads us to Athos documentation. Here you can read everything you need to know, what will be the changes of the Athos hard fork, including this constitution change in this section. So if you click on a new version, you will be redirected to the new and proposed Q constitution of the version 1.1, having this hash. And when you download it, you can actually create a diff between old constitution and new constitution, and I will show you how this is to be done. But first of all, let's verify if these two constitution ASCII-doc files are really the ones they're supposed to be. So, as you can see, I have downloaded them. This is the old one, 5DF, and 25A is the new one. Let me verify this. Yeah, so that's the new one, 25A, and 5DF is the old one. So, what I will do is I will create a hash, SHA256 hash, out of the new ASCII-doc file, and this gives me exactly the hash that the name also includes. So this file that I downloaded is the correct one. Now I'll just double check if the hash of the old existing Q constitution file is also correct, and as you can see, it is correct. So now I know that both ASCII-doc files are containing old and proposed new content. But what's the difference between both? In order to check this, you will need to check your or use an editor, code editor, text editor of your choice. I'm using Atom, and Atom delivers a package that creates a diff out of two files and shows you the exact differences. As you can see here, I am in the very same folder, and I selected both old and new version of the Q constitution, and I will now create a diff out of these two, and usually that's shown in this form, in this styling. Red means has been removed, green means has been added. And just one example, you can see that the headline or version tag is changed. It has been 1.0, but this has been removed. And this line, the green one with version 1.1, has been added. And going through the whole constitution in this way allows you to chapter by chapter or article by article read and understand what the changes are all about. If you've done this and you come to the conclusion that this Athos hard fork and the new constitution are good for the Q community, please don't forget to vote on the Q proposal. This is the button you need to vote, and as you can see, I already voted, so please take your time and vote for yourself. Voting poll will be closed on December 23rd. Thank you.